Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk, and if you're looking to separate audio from video using Premiere Pro, this video is for you. And even if you don't have Premiere Pro, stick around. I'm going to show you a free online website that'll let you upload a video, separate the audio, and download it for absolute free. So let's go ahead and get to it real quick. The first thing you're going to do is open up your Premiere Pro. You're going to go ahead and pick out the audio that you are looking to use. I'm going to drag this one in here. You simply select the video, right click, and hit unlink. And it's as simple as that. Now, these two are not connected. Now you can literally come in here, you can hit the C button for cut, and you can cut pieces out if that's what you're planning on doing. Hit the V button, come back, select it, and there you go. So now let's go online. Let me show you real quick how to do it online. So you're going to go to this website. It'll be in the link below. Go ahead and hit choose file. Select the file that you're looking to do. Hit extract. And then hit download. And then hit play. That's it, my friends. So do me a favor. If this helps you, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and please share with everybody. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.